In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sticky section on your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to keep important information, like a navigation menu or call to action, visible on the screen as your visitors scroll through your site. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure you can easily implement this feature in your web design. First, you'll need to select the section or element of your Wix website that you'd like to make sticky. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a lavender-colored section. This color helps it stand out, but feel free to choose any section that works for your site's design needs. Once you've selected the section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the editor, where you'll see a small chevron icon. Clicking this icon will open the Inspector panel, which is a crucial tool for adjusting various settings within your Wix editor. With the Inspector now open, take a moment to scroll down until you find the Position section. Within Position, there's a drop-down menu labeled Position Type. Here, you'll find the option to set your section to sticky. This setting is what will allow your chosen section to remain fixed as users scroll up or down your page. Once you've set the position type to sticky, it's time to decide where exactly your section should stick. Do you want it to stick to the top of the screen, the bottom, or perhaps both top and bottom? This choice largely depends on the purpose of your section. For example, a navigation bar might work best at the top, while a footer-related section could feel more natural sticking to the bottom. Select the option that aligns with your design vision. At this point, you also have the option to enter an offset value. Entering a value here allows you to create some space either above or below your sticky section, offering a tailored separation between elements that might enhance the visual flow of your website. Offsets can be useful for aligning sections with other design elements for a cleaner look. By default, the order in which your page's elements appear, also known as the DOM order, is automatically managed by Wix. However, if you find that your sticky section needs to appear above other sections or elements in the DOM, there's an easy fix. Right-click on your selected section, then choose Arrange from the context menu, followed by Bring to Front. This will ensure your sticky section is prioritized and not obscured by other content as visitors navigate your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly create a sticky section on your Wix website, enhancing both its functionality and aesthetic appeal. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sections and positions to find what best serves your site's purpose. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more web design tips and tricks.